Hi. Yeah, hi. Hi.
Yo, what's up?
Okay. Why would a trick-or-treater go in a scary place that doesn't even have candy?
I gotta pay right now. Really bad.
We're gonna stick together.
Hey, are you gonna
because
introduce us? Are you gonna introduce us?
What's up, bros?
Okay, so the one who looks like a trick-or-treater is Black Ops Pro. Then who's Shaggy? Who's Shaggy?
Who's what?
Who's the guy in the yellow suit? He's Shaggy.
Oh, me.
He's Shaggy. You know what? These two girls look the same. That looks weird, except one of them has blue boots. Are you guys like twins? Run that like dress the same but with different colors. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't.
Just keep walking.
Just keep swimming.
Why is that a green tree, by the way?
It's not green. It's not a green tree. Okay, everyone, do not look at this stone for a long time. What the heck? Is this like a meeting?
That's
Guys,
that's something like Thunderman.
if you have tape, and you look at one of those green stones, you are going to die because it
You're
teleports
gonna get
into
raped
you.
in the bone. I hear tape.
And if you look at it too long, you will get stomach raped.
Dude, I hear a tape, man.
I hear it.
It's over here somewhere.
Guys,
I found
we
it.
just all suddenly like split up. Stop.
He
Stop.
hatched.
Stop.
Run, he hatched.
Slenderman. You know, I'm expecting Slenderman to just pop out somewhere.
Ow! He teleported. I just felt that vibration.
What the heck? It's not Slenderman. It's not Slenderman. Never mind. I thought it was gonna be Slenderman. Why didn't you tell me? It looks like a giant rock. Guys, if you look at him like really close,
Oh my god,
he
where
looks
did
like
you
a
go?
giant
Where
rock.
did you go? Oh, okay.
Guys, follow me. Follow the trick-or-treater because he has tricks and he has treats. Well, actually, I didn't get any.
Yeah, well, a trick-or-treater, I'm kind of hungry. Give me some candy.
Yeah, about all those treats. Yeah, apparently a guy dressed in a Slender costume in the front that he has to take my candy. Is he really? Oh my gosh, I was looking at him the whole time. I got knocked out. Dude, how many videos have you posted? What are they?
Ah! Oh crap, I
You
saw
should
one.
create some more Minecraft videos and like we're
Oh
all
god!
going to the
Oh
end.
god! Oh god! Look next to you! Look next to you, bro. Not there. No left.
Dude, part 1 should be called the name of this map. Damn trumpet. I think it's like right over here. I'm gonna get raped. I'm gonna get raped, guys. So just leave me behind. I'm just kidding. I gotta get some candy.
Whatever.
Run.
No, forget
Run
it. I am
for your
not
life.
going to the back. I am not being in the back. I am being near. I'm second in line, guys.
No, I am.
I'm second in line. Darn it. Guys, do you want me to kill myself? Should we talk about the ghost mode or?
Your shadow looks like.
Oh my god, he's on the right of me.
He like, oh god, that almost gave me a heart attack.
There's a note. There's a tape here.
You're thinking of actual Slenderman. I like Slenderman. I like the do stuff.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Guys, right over here, right over here.
Where?
Oh my gosh.
He's drawing closer. Shaggy's gonna die.
My dick is gonna fall.
Guys, run.
Get out.
Guys, no. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get raped. I'm gonna get butt raped.
What happened to? What is happening to our lights?
They can die. They can die.
We haven't turned them off.
Oh gosh, that just scared the heck out of me.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Oh crap. Should we follow him? Should we like follow the ghost? Should we follow the ghost? Or will he just lead us to Slenderman?
Follow the
Hey.
ghost.
Hey, I think
I don't know
I
where
think
you
he's
are.
gone. I think we're okay. I think we're gonna be alright.
Oh my god,
I
it's
think
dead.
we're not good. I'm gonna get turned around and butt raped.
You're gonna get front rape. What are you talking about, side rape?
Dude, he already butt raped you. Dude, this is the last place you want to go because he'll corner you on the road.
He was behind me, but it wasn't Slenderman. It was a
He's like
lizard.
directly behind us.
He is behind you.
He was
He
directly
wants to grab your
behind us.
penis.
No, he was, but I know,
Guys, help.
dude, I am helping, but
Guys,
I know.
let's go run into the house. Let's go run into the house.
They're going to
Oh,
the
that fan feels so
the
good.
ones they're losers.
God, it's so in here.
That's where he is, and that's where his tape is.
I'm gonna go look off.
He's gonna take me through the wall.
I'm gonna look for tape, guys, so I'll be right back. That's either a tape or a tadpole team. Yeah, it's a tadpole.
I have no idea. Should I go out there? Should I go out?
No, let me go and check first.
Dude, you can't even see him.
I can.
Died already.
Eh.
I see your flashlight coming towards you.
Are we gonna follow the ghost? I'm about to have a heart attack. How many times
Oh,
are
by
we
the
gonna-
way, he was behind me and he just got me with this
Dude, he's
slender
right.
mouth.
He's right there. Dude, this video is gonna end up with me still alive, probably. It's gonna end up with me still alive, and I'm gonna go like, oh crap. Oh, greenstone! I'm about to die. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. You just just said it. You just said it.
Shit
I'm gonna get
balls,
turned around.
Reese,
I'm gonna get butt raped. I'm gonna get butt raped. I'm gonna
He's
get butt
behind you.
raped.
Alright, I see y'all two flashlights, guys. I'm the gay I'm coming for you. Don't bitch die.
Shoot! I knew it!
I hear a tape, I hear a tape.
Are you gonna tell them about the ghost mode now?
Hey, come get this tape, man.
Dude, I can't. He's like right behind me.
Damn it, man. We're
He's
sitting.
to my left.
Come back to the tombstone.
Dude,
Or
I
the
can't.
grave.
He's right behind me.
Damn,
He's gonna
jackass.
kill me. I have to shake him.
Scratch your balls and stick them in his face. In your face. In his face. Yeah.
Dude, he's about to kill me. Like, I can't.
Over
He's
here, come
right
on, follow
to the
us,
left of
follow
me.
us.
He's right to the left of me. He's to the left. Guys, I'm gonna die. I keep
Just
jumping
follow
on
the
my bed.
blue fucking ghost, man. Okay, I
I know where the
tombstone.
tape is. It's in that tomb. Can I follow the... Okay, I'm gonna follow the girl ghost. I'm following the girl ghost. Don't get me killed.
What about me too?
Wait, me?
No, the person who actually has the... never mind.
No, never mind.
Never mind.
My balls itch, so I'm gonna scratch them.
Guys, I'm gonna die.
That's okay. I don't care. Better. Oh, I love
Oh,
it.
guys. Who's the one who made videos on Minecraft? Guys, I'm about to get, like, seriously butt raped. Guys, I'm butt raped. I'm gonna get butt raped. Butt raped, butt raped. He's right behind me! Help me! He's grabbing me! He's grabbing me! Dude, he was grabbing me. He was grabbing me. This is no time for the troll. Hey, ghost girl, wait up.
You see what I mean? That bitch walks fast.
Dude, walk backwards. I'm about to get butt raped.
Yeah, I'm behind you.
Dude, wait up, I'm
behind
butt
you,
raped.
butt
I'm
raping
butt
you.
raped. I'm gonna get butt raped.
I'm butt raping you from behind, man.
No! I think someone's...
Oh, hi. My.
Gosh. Dude. Gosh. Slender, now this guy, you've got to be kidding me. White noise, I just want some candy. No, I do not want... Guys, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Like, I'm about to die by these greenstones. I'm not fine. I'm just saying. I'm about to die.
We didn't
Okay,
even
maybe
last
that's
about
cool
3
for
seconds.
Dean
Well,
and
I
me.
didn't. I died in like the first 5 seconds of walking
I
behind you.
know.
Because you put me in the fucking back, you assholes.
Why did I jinx myself?
You're a dumbass. You jinxed your own damn self.
No, I can't run into a wall. He's about to butt rape me. I can't run into a wall.
I don't know, baby. Okay, I could have sworn we walked like this. We walked circles around this damn place like 4 times.
part where I'm just totally afraid, don't know what's going. Dude, I can see your eyes and you're walking forward.
Oh no, I never checked here.
Whoever
this
is
is where I
ghost keeps
died.
passing in front of me, stop it.
Yeah, there is.
Oh. Does anybody else hear the music?
I have to look dead, motherfucking ghost.
Why did I have to jinx myself?
You're the dumbass that jinked yourself.
Dude, we have to go back on the road. I realized where the other tape was.
Yeah, see, we just ran in a circle. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the tape here already.
Dude, I'm getting grabbed.
Yeah, we grabbed it. That's why we had close to 6. Or close to 3 that time no, 2. We grabbed the other
Oh,
one.
is that how you died?
No, I don't think so.
We have to go back on the road. So... I don't want to look at the greenstones, guys. No, that's a greenstone.
I saw it.
Dude, you're gonna get me killed.
Wait
Yeah,
for
there
me.
Actually, I'm doing pretty good because I haven't seen him at all.
Should be one on the road, or in that. There should
Okay,
be
we're
one
doing
in the
good.
house.
Guys, whoever bleeding, if you need to stop real quick.
I gotta take a dump.
Okay.
Never mind, it's a fart. No, I thought we came through here.
Yeah, we did.
Isn't this the one that... Yeah, we... Dude, wait, the graveyard is near the road. Which... Guys, I'm getting grabbed.
Yeah, you've been
No,
dead
I
in like
was-
2 seconds.
Like, I was getting grabbed.
Would have been
like, if
dead
you-
in 2 seconds. Dude,
if
I
you-
think when I walk behind you, man, I give you a boost, because every time I'm walking, I did. I got to see you as the ghost. And the memories of...
Why'd everyone leave the game?
I gotta take a dump. Yes, it says the memories, the tapes we found, and the screams. What are the screams for?
Yeah, we're first. Yeah, it's our first attempt.
Hey, bro.
I got scared the
search
crap
up
out of.
something.
I got scared the crap out of.
Hold on, don't start the game. I'm gonna look up something. I'm gonna see what the screams are for. Bye.
Don't get out.